because the Court of South Africa in the Limpopo Division will be officially opened late this morning. For more on this, let's cross back to our reporter Mike Maringa, and he's joined by the community members. It's over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Palesa. Welcome back to Polokwane. We are at the corner Bikard and Bodensdale, where the choir is busy at the other side. But before we get to the choir, let me also indicate that the Minister of Justice spoke about 120 cases that were transferred here. And among those, we've got a community member who is a beneficiary of the opening of this court, because for a period of time he had a problem, a personal problem that he couldn't get help from. So let me bring him now. It's Mr. Moloto Willie, just to take us through his problem and what exactly transpired. Mr. Moloto, good morning and welcome to Morning Live. What was your story? What actually happened?
What happened, it was like I had an argument with the mother of my son, which at the end of the day told me that I should not even come and see my son again. Through to a friends, then he recommended so that I could come to family advocate, and we take that matter to them, then they easily help me. So now I'm having access to my son.
When was this, and which court? Did you come to specifically to this court, or was it another court around Polokwane?
It was another court in Polokwane where they were having some offices around that other side of Pickett Street. So they officially helped me, and everything is fine now.
Can you say with pride that the new court in Polokwane is assisting community members in general?
Yeah, I could say it's really assisting, because if you could check, most guys, they think our government is giving more women's power than men's. But after what happened to me, most guys, they even got help. It's not me alone, because I even recommend some of my friends to go there and also get assisted from the court.
That was William Lotto giving us his story about what transpired. Let me bring now Daphne Pelusa. She also has a story to tell. Says Daphne, good morning, welcome to Morning Live. What is your story?
Thanks. My story is I did have a property case. It's a civil one. I started at Polokwane Magistrate Court. When went on, Magistrate advised me in order to approach High Court at Pretoria. Magistrate advised me to come to Limpopo High Court. He referred me to the registrar so that they can help me with the process of, instead of approaching High Court Pretoria, to come here to get the service which I needed.
Did you go to Pretoria High Court before this one was opened, or was it after? Is your case amongst those that were transferred to this court?
Not yet transferred, still on the process of going to be transferred. But when magistrate transferred me, I've started here, is where I did receive the service.
And Sis Daphne, are you hopeful that you'll get assistance from this court?
I've already received an assistant with the legal representative, the attorney, which started here, because the other part of my case has to be finalized here. Then the other part was supposed to be transferred to Pretoria, since is going to be brought back here.
And is this justice for the people of Limpopo?
Definitely, yes.
That was Daphne Pelusa, one of the beneficiaries, together with Mr. Moloto. They were telling us their stories that they once went to Pretoria to get assistance, but because of the distances that they had to endure, they were advised that since now that we have the court here, they will be able to get assistance. But before we go back to our studio in Johannesburg, we've got a justice choir here. Let's see what they have for us.
Obrigado, obrigado, Chico, obrigado, 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 Chico, obrigado, 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 Chico, obrigado, obrigado, Chico, obrigado, 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 Chico, obrigado.